Hello and welcome guys, this is Crypto Enterprises and welcome you back in the second part of the videos from deepTradebot series. As or if you have watched the first one, that is a basic review of the platform and its rather technical side, you probably know that in this particular video I'm going to show you how to use the bot, how the withdrawal system works, how to choose the one that you prefer, and how the profitness of the deepTradebot looks like. So if you haven't watched the first one, don't worry, just hit the link in the description down below, but right now let's just assume that you have the basic knowledge about bot's technical protocol. So let's get straight into it. Renting a bot. As you can see, I have changed the interface to the Pro mode. You can also rent a bot, of course, in the simple one, but I do prefer that version. So let's go here, rent TradeBot, and as you can see I have already replenished my wallet, so I have some assets there in Bitcoin. And for instance, let's choose the standard bot, rental price 10 USD, of course Bitcoin, and there we have it. So its rental term is 60 days. Your minimal balance will go up to from $45 to $700, and the minimal daily profit is 0.67%. So keep in mind that it's paid only once, and don't worry, it's just a one pay for the whole period. So let's agree to the deepTradebot terms of use. I have my wallet state here, and let's rent the bot. Success, bot rental complete, so it works perfectly fine, and now you can refill trade balance of your bot to start trading. I can do it now, but let's get it refilled now. Amount, so I do have to put some balance into it, but I'm going to put that balance into the free one because I think that for a user that has just started his own journey with the deepTradebot, probably the free one is the most suitable one and the most beginner like. So as you can see, I have already rented that 3 bots. Keep in mind that you can only have up to 5 that 3 bots. So let's get here, refill balance, and let's for example take 0.00001.7 Bitcoin. It is that deep blue now, and let's get it rented. So bot trade balance refill complete. As you can see, it all works. Preparing bot instance, and actually we have right now 0%. We have still 30 days left, and in the second part of this video that I'm going to do the following day, I will show you the withdrawal process and the profitness of the bot, because it needs some time, the system needs some time to make the trades, to activate my trade balance. So see you guys in the next cut, which I will record the following day. Hello, welcome you back. One day has passed, as I said. I'm now going to show you that the bot works. As you can see, it has already started to gather some profits, as it should. After one day, I have still 28 days left, so just 3% of my total trade profit is complete. Now I'm going to show you how to withdraw your assets. So let's go back to the simple dashboard one, and here, as you can see, I have some Bitcoin and I want to withdraw it. So you can just do it by clicking that withdraw. And now you have two options, just target address and withdraw amount. So I'm going to do that privately in order to not show you my official address. So see you in the next cut. As you have seen, my funds have been sent successfully, so it works. I'm going to have it soon on my wallet, so it's a safe way to withdraw your assets. It's really working, as you can see, and well, I think that it was enough with that 2 videos with that series about how to use the deepTradebot. I hope that you enjoyed that. All the links you need are in the description down below, and guys, see you next videos. Bye.